What up, guys? It's your boy Jinx in the building. You know how we do. And today, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do the OQA viral choreography by the Ukrainian choreographer. I can't really pronounce her name, so I'm just gonna put it on the screen right here. Make sure to shout her out on this video. Okay. First step, move number one. Before I proceed, this is gonna be my left hand side and this is gonna be my right hand side. So take note of this, is gonna help you throughout the whole tutorial. So first move, you want to bring your leg up like this and stamp. So it's more like you're stepping forward. You're stepping forward like this and you're pausing to the side. So up, stop. All right. 5, 6, go. Up, stop, stop. Good. So, but this is pretty sharp. So 5, 6, and 7, go. Bam. After that, you want to wave your hand like this and try to move with your waist. All right. So we're gonna wave up to 3 times. 5, 6 to go. 1 and 1, 2, 3. Okay. So we're gonna try to make that as big as possible. So whoa. So once you've done this, you want to tap on your heels here and create a roof above your head. So they work together. So I was here on my toes, then I switch it up to my heels with a roof. Okay. So 1, 2. Okay. So 5, 6, go. Roof, switch, 1, and you come down with it. So 1 to go. Roof, switch with your hands. You go 1, 2, brings you down, and just a head walks. All right, one more time. 5, 6, 7, go. Roof, switch, 1, 2, 1, 2. So once you've done that, we're going to step 3. Your right one to make way, and you have this pause. Okay. So right makes way, whoa, pause. Then we want to move to the side with this motion and move the other side with this motion. So when we move to this side, our hand stretched out here and it does this. All right. So we're going to add it with the move with the motion. 5, 6, go. 1, tap, tap, 2, tap, tap. Now this is like an Indian hand movement, sort of. So you want to move 1, 2, 1, 2. We have 2 counts over there. So back to the original position. 1, 2, 1, 2. Perfect. Then we'll move into the next combo. So once you're here, you want to step this out. Your left knee comes out and your right goes across with the hand motion upwards. So I'll try to take that slowly. 1, your left goes behind and your right goes forward. Tap. All right. So I'm going to take that again. 1, 2, 3. Slowly again. 5, 6, go. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to do it without the hand so it's not confusing for you guys. One more time. 1, step, stop. Now with the hands, you just want to move your hands like this. So 5, 6, go. 1, hands, stop. Perfect. So once you stop here, break down, you sink. Okay. So we're here, then we sink. We're here and we sink, and 1, stand. So it's more like send your hand upwards and you stand on the second one. But from here, the first goes up, you look at it, the left goes up and you stand with that. Okay. Once you've gotten a hang of that, you want to go around your body slowly. Okay. So once we're here, your hand comes down to the side and you go slowly around your body. Perfect. So you step, you stop and sink, and 1, 2 around your body, and you want to bam with your head. So around your body and bam. Then your leg goes behind and you stop like this. So bam, stop, and your head goes again. Bam, stop. I have to take that really slowly. So from here, we'll go bam, your head moves around. But when your head moves around, your leg goes 1, 2, stopped. Okay, one more time. This is go 1, 2, 3, stop. But now when it moves together, when you put the whole combination together, it's really fast. So we go boom, bam, bam. Once that is out of the way, we want to go into the next combo, which looks like this. 1, 1, 2. We want to have this motion. We're going to do this just one time. But you need to get comfortable with this movement. So side and side. When your leg does this, your hand goes 1, 2. We're doing this just one time. Okay? But we're going to do multiple times at this point so you understand how our body moves. All right? So once we go 1, then we go 1, 2. Then we'll step 2 times, 2 steps to the right. So 1, 1, 2. Understood? Take it again. 5, 6, go. 1 time and 1, 2. So if you notice, 1 time propels us to the right. So 1 and 1, 2. Perfect. Good. So we're going to take it from top slowly down to here. 5, 6, and 7, go. And whoa. And we go. Roof, twist, bump, stop, whoa, 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 whoa. Knees, whoa, sink. And bam, bam, around, and bam, and bam. And 1, 1, 2. Perfect. Good. Like I said, this move is going to propel you to the right. So 5, 6, go. And 1, 1, 2. Then we fidget. Bam, 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 bam. So like I said, upper body is important to execute this move. So 1, 2, 1, 2. Then your right leg steps back and your left extends, taking you to the left. So we go 1, 2. But then you want to make use of your hand at this point. So just the legs now. 1, 2. With the hand, it's going to look something like this. So I'll take that again. 5, 6, go. 1, 2. One more time. 5, 6, go. 1, 2. So I'm going to put it from here, that to that point, so you see how the combination looks. 7, go. And 1, 1, 2. And we fidget. Bam, 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 bam. And bam, bam. Perfect. Good. So once we're here, we want to step back 2 times. Okay? So 5, 6, go. 1, 2. And slowly fade. Okay. So once we're here, remember we'll step back 2 times and we'll fade on the third. So 1, 2. No, we fade on the second. 5, 6, go. 1, 2. So we'll fade up. Then we want to have a groove. You bend your knees and step forward. So basically 1 and 2. We're doing this on the spot, so you have a feeling of how the actual move is going to look like. So get comfortable with this. Then you want to propel forward when you do this. So 1 and 2. Perfect. I'm going to take that again. 5, 6, and 7, go. 1 and 2. Nice. Moving on to the final combination, we'll go 1, 2. So 1, you extend your right, 1, 2, and you stop here, and we go 1. To execute this move properly, you engage your hips and your toes. So your heels comes off the floor, tap. So I'm gonna take it to the side so you have a rear view of how it looks. Go 1, 2, 1. Good. So 1, 2, 1. Bring it back forward. We go 1, 2, 1. One more time. 1, and 2, and 3. Go. 1, 2, 1. Then send. Good. So you raise your left knee up and you send your hand with your head. So bam. Once it's gotten out of the way, we want to move forward. 1, 2, 3. One more time. 5. See, this is almost like the sexy walk, hip hop dance, but then we're just gonna change it and tweak it a bit. So we'll go 1, 2, 3. All right. 5, 6, and 7. From here, 5, 6, and 7. Go. 1, 2, 3. Good. So once you're done on 3, onto the final combination. You want to keep your hands to the side and break your knees. Then you send your head. Boom. And that is the end of the whole piece. So we're gonna put it together right from here down to the end. So 5, 6, go. Bam, 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 bam. 1, 2, 3, stop. Whoa. Perfect. So we'll go slowly right from top down to the final piece of the combo and see how we do. 5, 6, and 7, go. And whoa. And we go. Roof. Stop. 1 and 2. And we go. Knees. Whoa. Sink. Bam, bam. And whoa. And bam. And bam. And 1. Bam, bam. Bam, 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 bam. Whoa. Stop. Bam, bam. Whoa. 1 and 2. And we go. Bam, 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 bam. Whoa, 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 bam, whoa. Nice. All right, guys, we've come to the end of this tutorial. If you've gotten to this part and you've been practicing, I owe you guys a hug. All right. Okay. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to share it to your friends, comment your favorite part, or comment the next tutorial you'd like me to do for you guys. And make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Jinx signing out. If you're serious about becoming a stronger and more confident dancer, I've created training programs just for you. Whether you're just starting out or looking to push your skills further, my courses are designed to help you grow, stay consistent, and actually see progress. I help people become incredible dancers, and if you're watching this, that probably means you're next. You can check out all my programs via the link on screen. You can see it right here. Everything is there, and you can get started today. See you in class.